Imagine owning a store that no one knows about. Frustrating, isn't it? This is what happens when a website lacks SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, is like the GPS that directs customers to your online store. It improves your website's visibility on search engines, attracts organic traffic, and builds credibility. With a well-executed SEO strategy, your website can become a bustling marketplace, teeming with customers. So SEO isn't just an option, it's a necessity for your website's survival and growth. The first step in your SEO journey is keyword research. Keywords are the words and phrases that internet users type into search engines when they're looking for something. They're the signposts that guide people to your website. So how do you find the right keywords for your site? You can use tools like Google Keyword Planner, which can help you discover what your potential audience is searching for. Now, let's delve into the world of long-tail keywords. These are more specific, often longer keyword phrases that visitors are likely to use when they're closer to making a purchase or when they're using voice search. They're less competitive, and they can deliver high-quality traffic. Don't forget about local SEO. If you operate in a specific geographical area, you'll want to target local keywords to attract customers in your region. Remember, the right keywords can make or break your SEO strategy. Once you've got your keywords, it's time to start optimizing your website, starting with on-page SEO. This is the process of making your website more search engine friendly. The first step is to produce high-quality content that's relevant to your audience. And don't forget to sprinkle in those keywords you've researched. Your title tags, for instance, should be concise and should contain your primary keyword. Similarly, meta descriptions should be compelling and keyword optimized to attract users from the search results page. And let's not forget about images. They should be optimized too, with relevant file names and alt tags, again, containing your keywords. The URL structure of your pages also plays a role. It should be clean and easy to understand, ideally with your keyword included. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of internal linking. It helps search engines understand the context and relationship between different pages on your site. On-page SEO ensures that your website is attractive not just to users, but also to search engines. On-page SEO is just half the battle. To win the SEO war, you need off-page SEO. It's like building a house. On-page SEO is the foundation and structure, but off-page SEO is the exterior that attracts people and the interior that makes them stay. Think of the internet as a vast, sprawling city. In this city, backlinks are the roads that lead to your website. They're a crucial part of off-page SEO because they tell search engines that your website is reputable and trustworthy. When other websites link to yours, search engines interpret it as a vote of confidence in your content. So how do you build these roads? One effective strategy is guest posting. By writing articles for other websites in your industry, you can include links back to your own site. This not only drives traffic, but also boosts your website's authority in the eyes of search engines. Another powerful tool in your off-page SEO arsenal is social media marketing. Sharing your content on social media platforms can generate more backlinks and attract more visitors. Remember, every share, like, or comment is a positive signal to search engines about your website's value. Lastly, don't overlook the importance of online reviews. They not only influence potential customers, but also impact search engine rankings. A good reputation online can significantly boost your website's trustworthiness and authority. With off-page SEO, your website doesn't just exist in a vacuum, it becomes part of a larger, interconnected web. We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's take a moment to recap. SEO, or search engine optimization, is crucial for any website looking to increase visibility, traffic, and overall growth. It's not just about getting your site to the top of search results, but about reaching the right audience